Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. My name's TJ and today we will be unboxing the punchy JBL Flip 5. This is the front of the box where you get a glimpse of the speaker itself and some of its features. This speaker has a 12-hour runtime. The Flip 5 also brings with it a new connectivity type called Partyboost. This allows you to pair two JBL Partyboost compatible speakers for a stereo sound setup or link multiple together for a party like no other. Another awesome feature of the speaker is the IPX7 waterproof rating. This will surely make all you water fans very happy. This rating covers a water level of 1 meter and protection for around 30 minutes. Let's get this opened. You are greeted with two boxes. Let's take a look at the accessories first. Here you have the quick start guide, safety instructions, warranty card, and a USB Type-C cable with matching orange accents. The speaker itself arrives in this cool hard foam case with the JBL branding embossed on the top. Here we have the speaker itself. First impressions, this speaker feels well built and very premium. You can tell this is not your average Bluetooth speaker. On the top of the device, you have the Partyboost volume controls, the play, pause and next track buttons. On the back, you have the power and Bluetooth buttons, an LED indicator, and the USB Type-C port for charging the device. Regarding the battery, it will take you 2 hours and 30 minutes to fully charge the speaker. As mentioned earlier, it has a 12-hour battery life. However, you can expect half of that if you run this at maximum volume continuously. One disappointing aspect of this is the lack of Bluetooth version 5. The Flip 5 comes with version 4.2. Some helpful info if you are comparing the Flip 4 and the Flip 5. The Flip 5 has a faster charging speed at 2 hours and 30 minutes compared to 3 hours and 30 minutes of the Flip 4. The Flip 5 has better sound quality and overall it's an upgrade from the Flip 4. On the other hand, if you do require an aux input and a built-in mic, then the Flip 4 is going to be the one for you. All in all, I would personally go for the Flip 5. The faster charging speed and improved soundstage is more important to me. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Shout out to Az for letting me unbox his speaker. Please like, share, subscribe and let me know in the comments below. Who is planning on getting the brand new Huawei P40? The camera specs look amazing.